Okay, so we're going to jump into MomTales now. And this week we went a little bit different. Had you guys share some different stories from your child's 1-year-old birthday and share what you guys did, because we get so many questions, like people needing inspiration, ideas. So I thought I would read some people's posts, but if you're not in the Facebook group, join it. There's a huge thread. People shared photos of cakes, themes, and so much more. And just remember, like, do what makes sense for you. Don't feel like you have to do a giant party just because it's on Pinterest or your friend did that. You can do what makes sense, again, for you and your family. Okay, so here's a few different ones. Had family friends, his godparents out to our new house a week after we moved. Had a barbecue, played games, took pictures, and ate cake. He also napped while everyone was there. And this person says we had a small get together at our local frozen yogurt shop and brought cake. Where the Wild Things Are themed smash cake and cupcakes, cheap and easy, and everyone loved the frozen yogurt. And there's a really cute picture of a cake. We will be going on vacation. A vacation she would like, maybe seeing her favorite cartoon character, but just for the weekend. Rented out a local splash pad. It was $30 for 2 hours, and people could stay all day while we were renting the space with a table. It was good for tiny babies all the way up to 12 years old. I love these different ideas. This person says, my son's is today. We are doing a photo shoot. Awesome idea. Our theme was happy birthday with bumblebees. I made shirts for all of us. It said mommy bee, daddy bee, and queen bee for my daughter. Cute. All of them had Mickey Mouse theme because it's what they loved. They had different second birthdays though. Rented a shelter at a park and had a Winnie the Pooh themed birthday party. Kept it pretty low key because I'm still in university and we didn't want to splurge money wise, but I did a lot of DIY jungle decorations with the theme Wild One. And we took him to Splash Park in the morning and then afternoon. We got a cake from our local grocery store and had a dinner with family, including grandparents and some of his little cousins. This person says, I did a pretty big party, honestly, but I wanted to. For me, obviously, because she won't remember. I had 2 bounce houses, one for babies and one for big kids, and outside activities. Her birthday is in the summer. Our theme was Minnie Mouse. She had custom made dress, and we had t-shirts made for me and dad with her grandpa. Oh, she shared a picture with grandpa. Our daughter's birthday is next month, and we are doing Little Miss Wonderful. Since it's right around deer hunting, we rented an activity room and have family and friends come. Okay, I'm going to read one more. There's a lot of really good ideas in here. So if you're not in the group, join the group. We did a small barbecue party for our little firecracker themed over 4th of July weekend. We loved it. She's obsessed with water. Oh, this one. Cried because the wind blew everything down. Oh no. Did a very small birthday party for the next inside with better results. This baby, I plan to do a home party with lots of food. She's a food girl. And last but not least, this girl says, did a birthday party at a park, rented the shelter, and all the kids were able to play, ordered pizza, got some decorations from the dollar store. I love that. So hopefully you found some inspiration, but again, remember, do what makes sense for you and your family. Don't like live up to Pinterest standards. Sometimes it's unachievable. Do what makes sense for you and something that makes you happy. All right, guys, that's all I have for this week. Thanks for joining me this week, and I will see you next week for another special episode of Mom Talks with Christa. Bye, guys. Hope you have a great week.